Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap movers. Hadley local and long-distance movers near me. 3 movers harnesses their local expertise to optimize every aspect of your relocation, efficiently maneuvering through Hadley's streets to transport your belongings with utmost care. As you begin your journey in Hadley, 3 Movers takes the organization's reins, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the charm and character of this beautiful city. With their tailored solutions and meticulous execution, Hadley Local 3 Movers turns your move within Hadley into a seamless experience, setting the stage for you to blend into this enchanting locale's fabric seamlessly. Stepping beyond the borders of Hadley, MA, whether for a journey within the state or venturing across state lines, demands meticulous preparation and dependable support. Armed with essential certifications and experience, Hadley, MA Long Distance 3, Movers orchestrate a seamless passage across state boundaries, safeguarding the integrity of your treasured possessions throughout the voyage. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hadley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form,